yes, like we are telling to our viewers that this meeting is now going on. And remember that this entire controversy started since the time the government passed these farm bills in parliament. And after that, the massive protests took place in the state of Punjab. NDA's own ally, Akali Dal had taken out support from the government. Akali Dal had decided that it is withdrawing from NDA. Harsimrat Kaur Badal, cabinet minister, she had resigned. Prakash Singh Badal was saying that these farm bills are not in favor of farmers, and after that Congress party, many of the political parties started doing politics on this entire matter. Now finally this small controversy has now become a big one, where after protesting there at railway tracks, now finally farmers have moved here at national capital. Right now as we are speaking, these farmers are there at the border areas, be it Tikri border, be it Singhu border, be it other entry points of Delhi, where the farmers are now protesting. We are showing you the live pictures of this very building where this crucial meeting is now taking place between farmers and the
सबसे पहले माननीय कृषि मंत्री धन्यवाद
सर आप भी प्लीज
सम्मानित सज्जनों से
सर भैया जी सर देखो वो कुछ ज़्यादा मजबूत रोटी खाते हैं
आज की बैठक में जो मीडिया से शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
अलाउ नहीं करा यार, अलाउ नहीं करा।
So these are inside visuals coming in from the meeting that is currently taking place between several farmer unions and also the government. This is, of course, a very interesting point as far as this entire agitation is concerned. The government so far, of course, has maintained that these farm laws are beneficial to farmers. And the big question is, if the demands that are being made predominantly by farmers from Punjab and Haryana in favor of the previous system that still exists, which they favor, are fair, because a lot of the other farmers in the country are not protesting and they seem to be in favor of the new law that allows them freedom along with the existing system. So can the government at all give in to these demands being made by a select few of the farmer community? Can they take away the benefits that have been extended to everyone else? That's the precarious position they are in. They have, of course, so far maintained these laws are beneficial to all farmers and there is no need to take them back. But the farmers have insisted, the ones who are agitating, that they want these laws to be repealed. So that is the kind of irreconcilable position that it seems the two parties are at right now. So what is the resolution that can be met through? We'll have to wait and see. Let's also go across to my colleague Piyush, who continues to join us live, has been tracking all the developments. You know, so a fairly long meeting between several ministers of the government has taken place before this dialogue takes place with the farmers who are agitating. And of course, the government so far, Piyush, has maintained that these laws are beneficial. So even if a select community of the farmers has a problem with them, can these laws be repealed at all? It doesn't look likely that that is something that the government will do at all, not only because of that, but also to be seen as going back on what have been hailed as massive reforms for the agricultural sector. So in a way, it will have to be some sort of a middle path, if at all, that can resolve this agitation.
Well, absolutely, Shivani. There should be some sort of middle path only, which will be resolving the entire controversy. We have seen that how there has been a massive demand of the farmers in which they are saying that they are unequivocally demanding that the farm bills must be scrapped at any cost, and then only they will be talking to government. But what is important needs to understand here is that these three laws, these three farm bills are nothing but reforms which the government is also stating. And looking at what the government government is saying time and again, government has reiterated also that it is going to benefit farmers, not only farmers at large, but also farmers, personally will be getting benefited out of these farm bills. But the Kisan Union leaders are saying that they are going to speak to government only and only when the farm bills are scrapped, and then only further breakthrough will take place. But right now, as we are speaking, finally, the meeting which was also to take place at the same venue on 3rd of December is now taking place today at 3 p.m. This meeting began, and the top officials from the government, they have already reached, the ministers have already reached, and the farmer union leaders, they are inside the venue. We are showing you the live pictures of Vigyan Bhavan also, where this meeting is now taking place. But also, it's very important to understand that every time the government has reiterated that it is going to benefit farmers at large, and also farmers will be getting personal benefits through these farm bills. So now we'll have to wait and watch as to how the government will make these farmers understand about the benefits of these farm bills. But on the other side, the farmers are saying that they will be speaking to government only and only when the farm bills are taken back. But now we'll have to wait and watch what will be the government's strategy as far as the entire controversy is concerned. Yes, like you all also mentioned that yes, it's important to have some sort of midway to resolve the entire crisis, because of the protests taking place of farmers. There has been a massive, massive stalemate there at the borders, where the farmers have congregated in large numbers. They continue to protest for the last 6 days, and they have blocked entire stretch of traffic between Delhi and Haryana, not only at Tikri border, but also at Singhu border.
Absolutely.
Now, we'll have to see